So I think I figured out the issue that we were having with the failed Bluetooth module. And the failed Bluetooth module, we were observing to draw like 350 to 400 milliamps, and it was causing the screen to flicker. And I was confused because I knew the 3.3 volt regulator that was driving it could put out an amp and a half. And so I made some changes to the circuit, and let's look what happens now. I turn on the load, no visible flicker, and I simulated the failed Bluetooth module with this electronic load, and it's pulling about 300 milliamps. So what happened, we really need to go back to the schematic to look and see what the root of the problem was. So the problem, I've got this resistor in series with the 3.3 volt regulator, which is made for the roughly the load that the system sees. But when you start pulling 350 milliamps with the Bluetooth module that's failing, there's too much of a drop across that resistor, and so the input voltage was dropping. So the resistors are nice because you can turn the linear regulators off and on if you're troubleshooting, and also helps to dissipate some of the extra heat if you're going down to a low voltage with a lot of current. In this case, it kind of made things a little bit more confusing. So I just shorted out that 18 ohm resistor, because in this case we're not dropping that far and it doesn't help us that much. So I shorted it out, and we got the results that we were seeing on the bench just now.